Welcome to this 10-minute guided body scan meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension. We'll start by bringing attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. With each breath, allow yourself to become more relaxed. Now let's move our awareness to different parts of the body, starting with your feet. Feel the sensation in your toes. Are they warm or cool? Tense or relaxed? Just observe without judgment. Slowly move your attention to the soles of your feet. Feel any contact with the ground or whatever surface you're resting on. Notice any sensations, whether they are pressure, warmth, or tingling. Next, bring your awareness to your ankles. Do they feel stiff or loose? Just observe and allow them to relax. Then, move up to your calves. Feel the muscles and notice any sensations. Allow them to soften and release any tension. Shift your focus to your knees. Notice any sensations in and around your knees. Then move your awareness to your thighs. Feel the weight of your thighs resting on the surface beneath you. Allow any tension to melt away. Now, bring your attention to your hips and pelvis. Notice how this area feels. Is there any tightness or discomfort? Breathe into this area and allow it to relax. Move your awareness to your lower back. Notice any sensations here. If there's any tightness, imagine it softening with each breath. Then shift your focus to your upper back and shoulders. These areas often hold a lot of tension. Breathe deeply and allow the muscles to relax. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel your breath moving in and out. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. Allow any tightness to soften with each exhale. Now, focus on your arms. Start with your upper arms, then your elbows, forearms, and hands. Notice any sensations in each part. Are they warm or cool? Heavy or light? Just observe and allow them to relax. Move your awareness to your neck and throat. This area can hold a lot of tension. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, Imagine the tension melting away. Feel your neck and throat relax. Finally, bring your attention to your head. Notice any sensations in your jaw, cheeks, and eyes. Are you clenching your jaw? Let it relax. Feel your eyes resting in their sockets. If you notice any strain, imagine it melting away. Take a moment to scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice how you feel now compared to when you started. Allow yourself to enjoy this feeling of relaxation and stillness. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if you need to. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to relax and care for your body. Thank you for joining me in this body scan meditation. I hope you feel more relaxed and at peace. Remember to carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day.